everyone, good day. So for today's video, I would like to introduce myself. So by the way, my name is Trixie Pagatpat. I am 16 years old, born on April 13, 2009 in General Santos City, Sector Gen. So I'm currently living in Sitio Kapandungan, Barangay Lutay, Malungon, Sarangani Province. And I'm studying Lutay Integrated School Grade 11 Hughes. So my mother named Nelly Pagatpat, and actually guys, broken family ko since birth. Akong lola ang nagpadako na ako, and then kay akong mama ug papa is bulag since birth. So akong lola ug lolo, ang pangalan nila is si Aurelia Pagatpat and Ernesto Pagatpat. And I have a true brother. Akong tinuod nga brother is si Cyrus Pagatpat, because wala ko kabalo kung kinsa akong mga igsuon sa akong side sa akong mama and side sa akong papa. And ako mga ginabuhat everyday is akong mga hobby is tumatulog, mag-cellphone, mag-study, and lalo na worshiping to God. And akong sport is chess, and my religion is Seventh-day Adventist. So, mara na ako ang mga pag-induce ako self, mara na akong self. So, wala na iban. And that's all. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye-bye.